is a plate that's nice and round, and it stays that way even upside down. Round is the best shape I have found. Round, round, round.
Well, round is nice, I do declare, but my favorite shape is the one that's square. Square, just like that table over there. It's square, square, square.
A square is a shape with four sides the same, but when two sides are longer, there's a different name. It's called rectangle, like that picture frame. I love rectangle shapes.
Square!
No,
Rectangle!
A square is a shape with four sides the same, but when two sides are longer, there's a different name. It's called rectangle, like that picture frame.
It's square,
Round,
Rectangle shapes.
What do you think, Radiola?
A rectangle's nice, I will agree, but it's a triangle shape that appeals to me. Triangle like a Christmas tree. I love triangle. A rectangle shape with five sides and round, and it's a triangle shape that appeals to me. Triangle like shape I have found.
it's square.
Round,
Rectangle shapes.
Triangle.
No, round is best, 'cause the sun is round.
But a rectangle ruby's in a queenly crown.
With the squares of a checkerboard you can play.
But the triangle roof keeps you dry all day. A rectangle
is a shape with four sides and
agree, but it's a triangle shape that appeals to
Square.
Rectangle like shape
I have
Over there,
found.
it's square.
Round,
Square.
rectangle shape.
Triangle,
It's square.
round,
Rectangle shape.
triangle,
It's square.
round,
Rectangle shape.
triangle. Oh, it doesn't really matter what the shape might be. Everywhere you look, there are shapes to see.
Readily, diddly, skiddly, bash. I'm off with a magical, cleverly flash.
Just a nail or two, and I'll be through. Yes.
Hi, Mr. Booker. I thought I heard you banging.
You did. It was some signs that I was hanging.
Really? What do those signs tell?
They tell the folks what I have to sell. You see, this triangle sign says magazines, and books go on the sign that's round. The rectangle sign says newspapers, and the square shows where cards can be found. And this sign says, in words clear and bold, if tomorrow will be hot or tomorrow will be cold. And tomorrow will be cold, as you can see.
Cold, 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 as cold can be.
So when my customers come by, they'll take note that tomorrow they should wear a nice warm coat.
Hi, Mr. Booker. Hi, Reedley.
Hi, Extra. How are you?
I'm feeling fine. On page 9, I've got a story you'll want to see.
Okie dokie.
Cold, cold, cold. Hold, ha, 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 hold, hold. Fold, fold, fold.
Do you know anything else that rhymes with cold?
Old, old, old.
Way up north where all the days are so cold, 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 lived an elf who had a beard colored gold, gold, gold. And his beard grew very long as the elf grew old, old, old. It grew long enough to iron and to fold, 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 and to warm him like a scarf in the cold, 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 and to hand to all his kids for them to hold, hold, hold. If the D down the hill should begin to roll and an E takes its place, then you've got hole,
Hold,
hole,
hold,
hole.
hole. Ha, 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 hole, hole. Hole, pa, 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 hole, hole. Mole, ma, 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 mole, mole.
What else rhymes with hole?
Soul, Soul. Soul at the fishing hole
With a fishing pole, you can catch some sole, but not a mole.
Soul begins with S, that's true, but there are more words S can do. S can smile quite happily.
S can sing up high
S salutes so snappily.
and swings up to the sky.
S sure loves to sled in snow.
The S in snail moves oh so slow.
S is sharp as scissors are.
S shines bright as a silver star.
S can seesaw up and down.
And S can skate and ski
S can slither on the ground.
and swim with the seals at sea.
S starts small and grows in size.
S is the start of a big surprise.
S comes sliding into home.
And S is the sound of a saxophone.
S is super as you can see. S is very special to me.
That was so sensational. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
But now I've got to move along to the reading room. Goodbye, Mr. Booker. I'll see you soon. Readily, deedly, skeedily soon. Wow! Whee! I'm going to the reading room. How I love to fly. I'm going to the reading room, flying through the sky. Oh, joy, I'm finally here. Hello. Hello. May I come in, please?
Hello, Readly Deedly. Come on and be a part. Reading time is about to start.
Thank you very much. What books are we reading today?
The first book we'll be reading today is called Old Jack Fold. If you recognize any of the words, please read along with us.
The story is told about Old Jack Fold. His hair was silver, but his beard was gold. The story is told about Old Jack Fold. His dog was frightened, but his cat was bold. The story is told about Old Jack Fold. His feet were hot, but his head was cold. The story is told about Old Jack Fold. His hair was silver, but his beard was gold.
Excuse me, what's the next book I'd like to know?
The next book is all about a TV show.
My whole family album is on a video, you know. And I've been told it could be sold to go on a TV show. I don't think my family thought I was such a pro. First, they were mad. Now they are glad. They're in this unusual show. Mother dug in her garden. She put a bulb in each hole. She waited for spring, but she grew not a thing. Her bulbs had been lunch for a mole. My sister, Mary Clara, talked for hours on the phone. Then Dad would scold, and she was told the phone was a no-talk zone. Uncle Edward's car was stuck. He thought, I'll use my head. Shoveling is slower, so I'll use my snow blower. But he covered his car instead. Mom and Dad went fishing at their favorite fishing hole. But they took a nap
And quick as a snap, something stole their pole. Grandma likes to picnic. She really likes to munch. She drove to the grove and swam in the cove, then found she'd forgotten her lunch.
Did you like that story?
Yes.
Did you like it too?
Yeah.
I'm afraid that's all the time we have today.
Oh, well, now it's time, I believe, for me to leave. Goodbye. Veedally, deedly, skeedly, sklay. With a magical flash, I'm on my way.
Goodbye, Windy Dilly.
Whoa! Whee! That word is soul. Soul. Oh, too bad. And that word is cold. Cold? I can read the word bold. Bold? Yup. Look at all that pretty gold. Gold. You can find what you need when you learn how to read. Yes, indeed. That word is hole. Hole, that's the word. This word is hole. Hole, the swimming hole. I can read the word soul. Soul is a fish. Soul. And I can read the word hole. Hole. You can find what you need when you learn how to read. Yes, indeed.
Did you have a nice day?
Did you have a good time?
Did you learn something new?
Yes, my day went just fine. Now I'm under my covers so I won't get cold.
The time is passing.
The night's growing old.
Now go to sleep and slip away.
And I'll dream about all that I did today. Good night, everybody.
Good night, Weedly Deedly.